Well, this is Sutherland China branded porcelain in an Imari pattern labelled 2459. Have I remembered that rightly? Yes, I have. There you go. Decorator's mark on the base with a rampant line of Sutherland China made in England. D-shaped little teacup. A very light Imari palette, just with these smallish blocks of the rich but quite light cobalt blue, not a black cobalt. And then mainly floral designs in these swags with a nice colour palette of green, yellow and orange in the blocks. And then I do like this flower design breaking up into those squares and the sort of almost Greek key elements around the upper rims with these little swags on the lower aspect. A nice moulded teacup, as you can see, double rims going down onto a pedestal foot. Quite a plain extended arch handle, just with a single line by the decorators in gilt. Plain rims with gilt lineage and an inner rim gold line as well. Beautifully decorated little saucer, 3 blocks of the cobalt, but mainly a floral palette on white porcelain china. Again, very light. If you're not wholeheartedly an Imari fan, but just like a little bit of Imari, then these are a lovely choice. There again, rampant line, Sutherland China marks. All the dates are on the website. The size and dimensions are on the website. Full-size D-shaped teacup in beautiful condition. Period piece of Sutherland bone china in Imari 2459. We've just got a single one of these. I don't know how we came across it. I think it came in a mixed box from an auction house. And it's in very good used vintage condition. Nice and bright, good glaze condition and nice bright enamels. Perfect piece for lovers of Imari period English bone china. Thanks for watching.